So are you looking for some free courses with certification in the 2023? And I'm going to share you one of the best free courses with certifications 2023. Then those IT courses, those free IT courses are nothing but front-end development courses, Python course, and third one is project management course. So these courses are very important IT skills nowadays to survive in IT industry and to get job as well. And if you want to directly visit those free IT courses, please check in the video description. I will provide those video links as well. So without wasting our time, let us move on to my computer screen. Let me show you the first free IT course, that is nothing but project management. You can learn about the project management skills in this course. So the duration is 1.5 hours. Okay, it's a free lifetime access. After completion of your course, you can get certification as well. What you are learning in this course? So you will learn like introduction of project management, what is project, phase of project initiation, project planning, okay, project execution. Okay, you just go through all these topics one by one. Okay, so you have to do only one thing. Okay, you have to enroll for free. That means you have to sign up or register with this website. Okay, for completion of course, you can get certification in this format. Okay, so the next free IT course is like front-end development. You can become a front-end developer with this course. Okay, so the total duration of this course is 12 hours. Okay, and after completion of your course, you can get certification as well. And what skills you will learn from this course, like Git and GitHub, HTML and JavaScript form, CSS, React.js, Angular, JavaScript. Okay, you can learn all these topics. Okay, from this course. And and also you can observe here guys, the rating is also 4.5 rating has given from 35,229 enrolled candidates. Okay, course is from skills up by simple learn website. Okay, anyhow I will share this website link as well in the video description, you can check it out. And next course is like Python course. So this course is from Harvard University. Learn Python basics and advanced concepts as well from this course. Okay, so in this course you will cover like functions, variables, libraries, unit test, file, input, output, regular expression, object-oriented programming. Okay, after completion of this course, you will get certification as well. Okay, the course name is like a CS50 certificate, CS50 certification. Okay, so that's all guys, fine. I hope this information is very helpful. If you really helpful this content, then don't forget to hit the like button, and also if you have any doubts, please comment in the comment section as well. I will clarify your doubts. That's all guys for this session. So we'll meet with one more useful content video. Thank you very much.